Mortgage demand is expected to fall this year as interest rates rise, putting pressure on affordability. Mortgage bankers throughout the country are lowering their forecasts for the year as interest rates continue to rise, making home ownership even more expensive. Overall mortgage originations, including refinancing loans, are expected to exceed $2.58 trillion in 2022, down 35.5% from 2021, according to the Mortgage Bankers Association. $2.61 trillion was the previous estimate. The MBA's estimate, which represents more than 2,000 companies in the industry, reflects some startling economic realities in the United States. The housing market is tight on supply, and prices are high. The United States is dealing with the highest inflation in 4 decades, and the Federal Reserve is hiking interest rates rapidly to keep it in check. Refinancing demand has dropped considerably in recent months as interest rates have risen. According to the MBA, applications to refinance a house loan declined 5% in the most recent week, seasonally adjusted, and were 62% lower than a year earlier. Refinances are expected to drop 64% this year, according to the association. Last week, the refinance proportion of overall mortgage applications fell to 37.1% from 38.8% the week before. Purchase originations are expected to hit a new high of $1.72 trillion this year, up from the prior prediction of $1.77 trillion. Even if existing sales volume will be slightly lower than last year, ongoing growth in new house sales and strong rises in home values should result in a modest, but healthy, 4% annual gain in purchase origination volume, said MBA's chief economist Michael Fraudentoni. According to the MBA, the average contract interest rate for 30-year fixed-rate mortgages with a 20% down payment and conforming loan sums of $647,200 or less climbed from 4.90% to 5.13%. In the same week a year ago, the rate was 3.27%. Including origination fees, the score increased to 0.63 from 0.53. Mortgage rates across the board continue to rise, with the 30-year fixed rate surpassing 5% for the first time since November.
Mortgage rates now topping 5% as the spring home buying season starts to take off.